Hello dear friends, Simple Maker here as always. Inspired by Slivky Show's idea, who had lit up 100 and 1,000 sparklers, me and the guys decided to take the initiative and to blow up a whole thousand of K0201 firecrackers. What that led to you can see further. I'd recommend you to watch this video until the end without skipping so that you can fully appreciate its action. Let's roll! In front of you are about 20 packages of K0201 firecrackers, and I think you played with these more than once in your backyard or after school. And now it's time to get to know what happens if 1,000 of such firecrackers are lit up all at once. First of all, we unpack tightly sealed package of our corsairs, one after the other, and now I have a big pile of firecrackers on my desk. Doing this at home was really agitating, because even a single firecracker on fire could cause a chain reaction and a loud bang would happen in my home. Fortunately, everything worked out fine, but then I faced another problem. How to connect this much firecrackers and light up a whole thousand of corsairs at the same time. After pacing in the apartment a little, I took tea packs and filled them with firecrackers. That took me about 2 hours and a couple of thousand of nerve cells, which by the way can regenerate thanks to your likes on this video. Well, I think you got it. After packing all the firecrackers and wrapping them around with duct tape, I got myself sort of an explosive honeycomb. It looked pretty compact, although very impressive. When we arrived to a trial range located behind a river, we made sure that we won't scare anyone, because there were no people around us. We began preparing for the recording. For even fire distribution, we sprinkled firecrackers with gunpowder from about 60 of same kind of corsairs. After setting up cameras and evoking enough courage, I lit up the top of the explosive cake and ran away as far as possible in order to check out this bang. Very bright firecracker explosions which were to fly off to 10 meters in radius with loud, deafening sound gave a feeling of some kind of big and hardcore fireworks which were exploded on the ground. Despite a cold wind, humid weather conditions and few kilometers of walking through deserted terrain of our town, we were glad with the result and now would like to blow up 10,000 of firecrackers simultaneously. But we can do that with your help only. If each of you sends this video to 3 of your friends and they in their turn to another 3 ones, then in only 2 weeks of time this video would gain a lot of views and would give us an opportunity to buy 10,000 firecrackers and make first scale firecracker explosion on YouTube. All is within your hands, don't be indifferent and we won't let you down. A big thanks for watching, stay on the channel and join the Simple Maker lines so you won't miss new and even more wild videos. I wish you all good luck and I will see you in the next series.